fundamentally, the main difference between Tidy and other uh, products out there, and we're really quite alone in this, is this kind of combination of software, AI, and humans to really try to automate the full stack thing. So it really is almost like just a really fundamental difference in how we approach things. And we're very focused on cleaning and maintenance too. We don't focus on guest or other kind of things. We're very focused on cleaning and maintenance. We do serve a variety of customers for cleaning and maintenance, but we're very focused there. And so more specifically, I think our biggest advantages are frankly in one, kind of these job request workflows that are very AI powered. Two, I would say custom workflows, because a big way that we work that's different than other people is when you start working with us, we ask you, like, what types of things do you do today? What types of things would you like to do, right? Would you like to add inspections to the mix and you're not doing these today, or you're not doing them effectively today? After something is done, do you have a process that you do with like your accounting team? Do we need to like send them something? Why don't we do that? Let's automate that. So these custom workflows are really important to us to allow us to handle, which is kind of like with every property manager, is like they have a long tail of random things that they want that not very many other people want. So you need this kind of flexible engine to do this. And the third feature, I think probably a digital to-do list that's tied into inventory. So we have our digital to-do list, and that can be tied into inventory. So you can take before and after photos. So you can, using checklists is kind of well known to help improve the quality of many tasks, from surgeons to airline pilots. So cleaning maintenance people are really like no different. Having a checklist can help improve things and make it better. And then using the data from this, kind of combined with AI too, can really make things better, right? You're taking your before and after photos or videos. Can we analyze that and make sure that they look, reasonable? As you're updating inventory, can we, kick off updates to the current levels? And based off of the current levels of inventory, can we trigger restocking workflows? Again, some of these might be powered by AI as well. So everything is very interconnected, but I think that digital checklist is another core feature.